In my Focus YouTube channel, let us practice the diphthong sounds. There are 8 sounds of it. Let us see each one of them. E, oi, I, ow, o, e, oo, a. Repeated practice helps in effective pronunciation in English language. Begin practicing each one of them. Let us start with the first one. E, E, E. Let us now see the E sound words. Pray, raid, hail, paid, gate, tail, laid, tray, may, bray, slay, eight, wane, fright, wait, pray, they, great, streak, I. Now let us see I word. Time, write, type, high, might, height. Either, height, neither, fried, died, lied, by, guy. See more words for these two diphthong sounds. E and I. Lie, right, night, cry, my, bright, lime. Now I, lace, lane, day, rain, lay, like. Practice it again with me with these set of words. E and I sound diphthong words. Always, may, afraid, stay, day, available, pay. Now I sound words. Fly, all right, sky, buy, right, try, apply. Now let us see the minimal pair of E and I sound words. These are the diphthong sounds. E, wait. I, white. Wait, white. Aim, I am. Bake, bike. Claim, climb. Fall, file. Now let us practice these E and I sound words in the form of sentence. Mr. Santosh's old maid is afraid of the fire brigade. The housefly turned a blind eye to the pumpkin pie. Oi, oi, oi. Practice these oi sound words. These are the diphthong sounds. Moist, choice, voice, boy, toil, coin, toy, oil, boil, foil, spoil, joint, point, hoist, soil, enjoy. Voice, nice, coy, joy, annoy, avoid, royal. I have listed 3 sentences which has oi, the diphthong sounds in it. Let's practice it together. Noisy boys play with unoiled toys. Moi joyfully hoisted the flag. She toils in the soil. E, E, E. Practice these set of words for an effective pronunciation for the diphthong sound E. Carrier, area, ear, dear, fear, here, here, near, peer, dear, meal, peel, atmosphere. Now practice these set of sentences for an effective pronunciation of E, diphthong sound. The engineer said, I fear my career is unclear. She wanted volunteers who were sincere and of good cheer. Come up here and you will see far and near. A, A, A. Practice the A diphthong sound words. Pair, mare, where, care, dare, fair, hair, lay, air. Practice the diphthong sound sentences. These are a nice pair of shoes. He is a liar. This is my new chair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Practice the listed diphthong ooh sound. Doer, poor, sure, tour, pure, jury, curious, cure. In these 2 sentences, you will find ooh sound, which is the diphthong. Yes, for sure, you would get all of the things done. The poor man cannot afford the tour. Practice the A diphthong sound words. Pair, mare, where, care, dare, fair, hair, lay. Practice the listed diphthong ooh sound. Doer, poor, sure, tour, pure, jury, curious, cure. Let us see the minimal pair of a, ooh sounds. Tear, tour, pair, poor, mare, moor, spare, spoor, bear, boar. Let us see the sentences when you find the diphthong sounds a and ooh. This is my chair. Yes, of course, you would get all the things done. Ow, ow, ow. Let us see a few words in this list here with ow sound as diphthong. Brown, browser, now, how, outlook, town, account, frown, mouth, pound, ow, house, bound, cow, brow, wow, mouse. Here are two sentences for you to pronounce ow sound as a diphthong sound. See these two sentences. You are bound to pay the money. The house looks beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. I have chunked a series of words here with the pronunciation oh. This is a diphthong sound. Focus on the underlined letters for an effective pronunciation. Oh, oh, no, boat, poke, slow, oh, loan, though, control, home, go, component, no, show. Here are a few sentences with the diphthong sound oh. There are about 5 of them, and practice it along with me. Here is the first one. You must not go inside the hidden cave. Oh, it is such great news. You should slow down while driving on the bumpers. Did you take an education loan to support your studies? Though it was tasty, but was very expensive. See the minimal pair for these two sounds, ow and oh. Keep in mind, both are the diphthong sounds. Ow, oh. Howl, hole. Scowled, scold. Couch, coach. Blouse, blows. Practice all the 8 diphthong sounds for an effective pronunciation. Thank you for watching the video.